Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we'll draw this isometric projection of a pentagonal prism of side 30 mm and axis height 65 mm. The axis of the prism is perpendicular to HP and one of its base edges perpendicular to VP. So when they say axis perpendicular to HP, so top view will give you true shape. So we'll draw pentagon in top view. It can be this way or this way. We are not considering inclined right now. So if you read, one of the base edges perpendicular to VP. So this one. So this is our helping figure. See, if you want to see in 3D, this is HP VP and pentagonal prism is resting like this. So if you see one of the base edges perpendicular to VP, so they are talking about this base edge. It's an isometric projection. So first we will draw scale. We'll draw 45, 30 and we'll mark 70 on it because maximum length is 65. So on 45-degree scale I will mark 70 and on 30-degree line I will project all these points. This is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. This is 10. I'll mark 5 over here. I will draw a vertical line. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. This is 10. Now side is 30 mm, so 0 to 30, and for 65 we will take 60 and 5, 65. Now first we need to draw pentagon, so I will draw pentagon. You can draw pentagon by any method, but make sure the line is vertical because that edge is perpendicular to VP. So I'll take distance 30, I will cut. Then I will take 54 degree with protractor and I'll find the center. See, I'm marking 54. So this angle is 54. Again I'll mark 54. So wherever it will cut from that point to this distance, center to that point, we can draw a circle. Then we'll take side. Always remember, in pentagon we take side. In all the polygons we take side and we cut on both the sides, and for the center we'll extend from here. So we'll get the accurate pentagon. You can cut it from those two sides also. So this is how you will get pentagon. Once you got pentagon, we'll convert this into a rectangle ABCD. Always remember, whenever you're doing isometric projection, you convert this into a box of ABCD and always draw the box first. And then you can mark the internal point. The axis is O. If you want to write, you can write this points as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we'll draw 30 degree. After that, I will take height 65. Always remember, take it from the 30 degree angle. And again I will draw 30 degree. Now you take A to B. And and from A you cut it on this side. You take A to D, you cut it on this side. I'm just checking A to B again. This is A, B, D. Now we need to draw C. So again we'll draw parallel line. From D we'll draw line, and from B we'll draw line. So we'll get C. After that we'll draw vertical line. So this is A, B, C, D. Then we'll mark A to 1. See, we'll mark A to 1 and we'll cut it over here. Then we'll take D to 5. A to 1, you cut from A, D to 5, cut from D, then you take A to 2, and D to 4. Same way we can take B to 3. Take B to 3 and you cut from here. So you'll get 3. Then you join 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 2 to 1 and 1 to 5. So we'll get pentagon. Now whatever is there in the top side, the same thing will be down because it's a prism. So you go down by height and you can draw all this sides. So you'll get pentagon. Now the behind portion we can't see, so we are not drawing it. We generally don't draw dotted line in isometric. Now we need to mark axis. So for axis we need to mark M and N. This is M and this is N. So what I will do, I will take from A to this distance. I will cut from here. And from there I will draw line. Now this distance is N. So take that distance and you cut here. So you'll get axis. So that is point O, and you can take this point down by height to draw axis. So we can draw axis. So this way we have completed this sum. This is a CBSE portion, engineering graphic, where we are doing sum number 7 from the first chapter. We can write this as O dash. O dash is axis. And after that we can show direction of viewing and dimensioning. And we can write origin and 30 degree also. So this way we have completed this isometric projection of a pentagonal prism. I hope you people have understood this. Thank you.